of saying. So let's go ahead and start. So we just want to go ahead and open up our terminal. On Ubuntu, it's Control-Alt-T is the hotkey. On Kali Linux, you can just click the little icon at the top. Alright, so first thing we want to do is type in sudo airmon-ng, and then this is just going to check our driver information. You don't have to do this, I'm just doing this for you guys really quick. Okay, I goofed up. Let me go ahead and stop it, please. Stop. Alright, so let me rerun that command. Alright, so this is just showing us the interfaces that are running and the drivers we're using. Okay, so now we want to type in sudo airmon-ng start wlan0 and just press enter, and it's going to start a monitor interface. See? And we're going to be using this throughout the tutorial. Okay, so now we want to type in sudo air dump -ng and then the monitor interface, which is monitor 0. Oops. It's air-o dump. I was making little mistakes like that. And you can see here we're just gathering information on these networks. We're going to be using implement a Wi-Fi password. It's one that I set up with an old router. Not really a good router, so I don't use it anymore. But it works for this tutorial. So once we get this information, that's all we need. We just Control-C. Sorry, and then we're going to type in sudo arrow dump -c. We're going to get the channel, which is 1. That's just the frequency that the router's broadcasting at. We're going to get the MAC address. Make sure I get the right one. Right here. Copy and paste that in. Okay. And then now we want to type in -w, and then we want to type in where we want to send some information to, and then we'll use this information later. So I'm just going to send it to home, mat, desktop. I think that's all I really need. Oops. Oh, forgot my interface. And then so after where you want to send it, you just type in your interface, monitor 0. And then now what it's going to start doing. Okay, actually, I'm going to show you guys a quick trick. So what a lot of people get is they get this fixed channel, monitor 0, -1. I don't know, honestly, I don't know what it means. I don't know what's causing it, but I found out that this command fixes it. So sudo ifconfig wlan0 down. I really honestly don't know what the command does, but it works. So, and there we go, now it's gone. So what we're doing is we're going to waiting for somebody to connect to this network. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go on my phone really quick. You guys don't need to see this because I'm just connecting to the network. I'm just going to go ahead and press connect, and there we go. We see that my phone has logged in, and we have a WPA handshake right there, which is exactly what we need. So I'm going to go ahead and press Control-C. I'm not going to clear it because I need to copy and paste information. So what we're going to do now is we're going to run sudo airplay-ng-0, which means deauthentication. We're going to send 5 deauthentication packets, -A. We're going to grab the router's MAC address, copy and paste that in. We're going to grab the WPA handshake after a -C or a -C, -C, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to do monitor 0. Oh yeah, I forgot one thing. And -E, and then we're just going to put in the ESSID, which is the text for just the network name. We're just going to press enter. And as you can see, we're sending these deauthentication packets. And what this does is it forces the client, my phone, to reconnect to the network. And I send about 4 or 5, depending on each, every time, each network and everything's a little different. But you want to, do a good amount just so you can make sure you get it all right. So here's our last and here's our final step. So we're going to type in sudo aircrack -ng dash A2 dash B, and then the router's MAC address. Let's copy and paste. Hotkey to paste in is Control-Shift-V. I should have probably said that earlier, but whatever. Now remember where we sent some information to, which is my desktop. We're gonna go ahead and do /home /mat /desktop /*cap, and this is just gonna use all the capture files that we used. Wait, I did that wrong. This is gonna be /root /passwords.txt, and this one's gonna be, it's just gonna be separated by a space. I goofed up. /home /mat /desktop /*cap. What this is gonna do is it's gonna attempt to crack the encrypted WPA password, the key that we stole from this handshake that we saw, or however you want to explain it. We're just going to go ahead and press enter, and look at that. What do you know? We found the key, password 1. So let's go ahead and try to connect to this network. Hopefully it asks for the password. It may not, and you have to have, this was stored in the dictionary file. So if you can get like a big file, like one that's like, I don't know, 15 gigabytes from like CrackStation or something, and that password's in it, it may take a while, but